Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can use Chromecast on this device. So first you have to grab your remote control and go for the settings. Next you have to go for all settings. Go for connection and connect to Wi-Fi network. So go for network connection settings and connect to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I am connected to the Netgear spot for this one. Next we have to go back. Go for the mobile connection management, tap on the TV on with mobile, and you have to enable these two features by tapping on these features. Next you can just simply go back, and right now you have to grab your smartphone, and of course on your smartphone you have to be also connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you have to enable Bluetooth. So that's how it looks in my case. I hope that you can see it right now. I hope it focus on the phone, not on the TV. And right now I'm going to open YouTube. Here I am, and for example I'm going to open our YouTube channel, HardReset.Info, this video, and you have to tap on this Chromecast icon on the right upper corner and select your TV. Tap on it once and just take a look at the screen on your TV. Right now we are connected, and we can simply cast YouTube videos or any other videos from any other app to our TV. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.